You might have noticed that things have been a little bit different for the past year and a half or so. The language I use is different. What you see around the house is different. Things have changed around here. You might have noticed that my social media posting and cadence has changed, and the content of what I share has changed. You might notice that I don't wear my engagement ring anymore, and you might notice that Chad is not in the videos the way he used to be. And that is because we are getting divorced. This is something that both Chad and I have agreed to speak about, like whatever the content is here. We have always been blessed with an extremely kind and respectful audience, and we both really thank you for that. I also want to share that the language that Chad and I are using is that we're just a family in a different form now. We defined what we wanted to look like on the other side, which was we still wanted Riley to feel like she had a sense of family, even though her family looked different than the traditional nuclear family, if you will. Now that we're on the other side of it, our relationship has most definitely improved. I care so deeply about Chad. I consider him a really good friend, and I want the best for him. He is also an incredible dad for Riley, and he's a great person in general. You can still love a person, but you can also know that your journey together in being married has come to an end, and it takes a lot to get there, but there's no shame in getting there. We threw everything we could at this. Every resource, lots of time, lots of different things. Chad and I have been together for 18 years since I was 23 and he was 29. We were married for 12 of those. We worked really, really hard to make this marriage make sense. But there has to come a point where you can both acknowledge that it no longer does. And we got there. We've also made sure to remain on really good terms with each other's families. I love Chad's family. He loves my family. I think we'll always sort of be involved in one another's families, but it's also been really helpful for Riley. And because I know Chad had a lot of fans here on Clean My Space, I want you to know he is doing well and he sends his best. Chad has always been an artist and an avid collector, and that is where he is putting his effort and energy into. And you can find him right here. How about Molly? Where's my cat? Molly is 16 years old. She ended up living with Chad at his house. That is very hard for me because I think a lot of you who are watching know how much I love her and carry her like my own child. I am a cat lady at heart. However, my mom is really allergic to both cats and dogs, and because now I'm a single mom and my mom is helping me a lot, I know I cannot have a cat at my house, so I won't even be getting a new pet of my own anytime soon. And yes, I did move. I have my own beautiful new home, and I cannot wait to show it to you. That's going to be coming up. So what about Clean My Space? Nothing's happening. You don't have to worry. We're still here. I'm still here. I'm really grateful to my team who has been insanely understanding of me and my life situation. I owe a lot to Chad. You know, he encouraged me to start making YouTube videos back in 2011 or 2012 when we started, and he helped build this up. So things will start to look different, but at the same time, the core of what we do is going to be the same. Things are just going to look different. Like we might change some colors, you know, we might change the way we edit things, but our content and our core of what we do, helping you clean better and faster every single day in the most efficient and effective ways possible. I'm here. That's what I do. This is my life's work. I can say I feel I'm in a better place now. About the divorce and about Chad and everything that's been going on. And it's exciting at the same time. Like I've kind of enjoyed living alone and doing my own things and following some of my own advice, like having a place for everything. You should see me with a label maker right now. Like I've been going nuts. I will say that I'm very grateful to my network of friends and family who kept me grounded and put me in my place. I think there's so much more I could say here, but I think I'm going to end it here because this is a divorce. This happens more often than it doesn't. In fact, your marriage not ending in divorce is more of a rarity these days. So I don't think my story is that unique. I mean, I'm really happy that I'm sort of out of the closet with it at this point and that I can just be who I am and you now can know. But most importantly, I'm at peace with it. Our family in its new configuration is okay. And if you're going through the same thing, I was told this during my hardest times, it will get better. It does get better, but it can take a really long time and a lot of pain to get there. So thanks for being here with me. Please be kind in the comments. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you my new home, and we get to start cleaning and organizing a whole new place, and we get to start talking about what life is like as a single mom. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your support.